Ask Neil to disprove the flat Earth theory.
A couple of things. During Ramadan, you fast during the day
Yep.
and you eat at sunset. Do you know that in the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, they issue a table, depending on what floor you're on, it's a different time that the sun sets. So if you had a higher floor, you have to eat a little later than those who live on a lower floor. And that can only happen if Earth is round.
When people see the sun setting, they think it's disappearing behind the curve of a globe. But what's really happening has to do with perspective. The way our eyes and light work together. Our eyes don't see infinitely. They see in straight lines that narrow into a vanishing point on the horizon. That's the point where everything in the distance, the ground, the ocean, and the sky, seem to meet. When the sun moves farther away from us, it appears to get lower, because it's moving toward that vanishing point. It's the same reason why a long road seems to rise up to meet the sky in the distance, or why train tracks appear to touch even though they never do. As the sun travels across the sky, it doesn't actually go down. It's just moving away, and the atmosphere, distance, and moisture in the air make it appear to sink. That's also why the sun changes color near the horizon. Its light is traveling through more air and particles, scattering the blue light and leaving the reds and oranges behind. If the sun were really going below a curved globe, rising higher wouldn't bring it back into view, but it does. When you go up in an airplane or climb a tall mountain, the sun becomes visible again, because your line of sight extends farther. The higher you go, the farther your perspective reaches, and you see the sun longer, not because the Earth curves, but because your view expands. The horizon isn't a physical edge or the curve of a planet. It's the limit of human vision, where distance and light meet. The sun doesn't set behind the world. It fades beyond our perspective.